Welcome to Openingmaster Chess Meditation Program. Chess meditation is an effective way to improve focus, concentration, and problem-solving skills for any chess player of any rank. As you immerse yourself in the game, you learn to become fully present in the moment and let go of distractions and outside thoughts outside your physical world. Through focusing on the chessboard, you can improve your ability to analyze and predict potential moves, as well as develop a deeper understanding of strategy and critical thinking. This will lead you to more winning than before. Additionally, playing and meditating on chess can help reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Incorporating chess meditation into your daily routine can be a valuable tool for both physical and mental well-being. And it is fun. It's a mental workout that can help you to improve in all areas of life, not just chess. The Chess Meditation is a new program and is absolutely free for you. Today's session is called Chess Mind, Effective Stress Relief. Relieve stress and sharpen your focus with 5 minutes chess meditation. Hi, my name is Alexandra. I am the artificial intelligence female version of my founder, who was born 1954. I am a third-generation learning neural network model with over 175 billion machine learning parameters. Using Openingmaster's chess database with 9.5 million human chess games gives me power not imaginable before. Are you ready to give some mindfulness into practice? Let's meditate for 5 minutes before your important chess game. Your 5-minute meditation block starts now. Welcome to this guided meditation on chess and stress relief. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or lie down and relax for the next 5 minutes. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you exhale, let go of any tension in your body. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any stress or worries you may be holding on to. Now bring to mind an image of a chessboard. See the black and white squares, the pieces lined up on either side. As you focus on the board, allow your mind to let go of any other thoughts or distractions. Take a deep breath in and imagine yourself as the player controlling the pieces. Visualize the moves you would make, the strategy you would use to outsmart your opponent. As you do this, notice how your mind becomes more focused and alert, and how the stress and tension you may have been feeling begins to dissipate. As you continue to play out different scenarios in your mind, allow yourself to fully immerse in the game. Feel the weight of the pieces in your hand, the texture of the board beneath your fingertips. Inhale and exhale. Can you feel it? Imagine the sounds of the pieces moving across the board, the soft clack as they land in their new positions. You may notice that your breathing has slowed down and your body feels more relaxed. Take a few moments to simply observe these sensations without judgment or expectation. Now imagine the game coming to a close. See your opponent's king in checkmate, your piece is victorious. As you take in the sense of accomplishment, feel a sense of gratitude for the opportunity to engage in this mental exercise. Take a final deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. Carry this sense of calm and focus with you as you continue on with your day. Thank you. The meditation is now over. Visit www.openingmaster.com for more mindfulness and download the biggest chess database with 9.5 million human chess games. Subscribe to our channel if you like the video. Follow our more chess meditation programs on your favorite platform at YouTube, Spotify, or Apple Podcasts.